Hello, in this video I want to show you how to acquire explosive firearms and opulent rum in Skull and Bones. And to do this, first you'll need to be in the ship mode and then take a look around, and on the top there's the compass and you should be able to see this icon. Now approach it. And now, when you're near that quest location, you'll find the crates floating around the sea, and you can loot them to get the explosive firearms and opulent rum. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.